Well, it's April and the fuel crisis is upon us. And I have this behemoth and I've got to figure out how to get around without diesel. I think I have an idea. I've got about 1 kilowatt worth of solar panels on the roof. They should be able to power some batteries. Now, I got in with my x-ray machine and I x-rayed the back of these things. These are 100 amp alternators. We're pretty sure if I can rip this regulator out, we can backfeed these with a couple of big cables. We can turn them into motors. They can run backwards. I've got 3 of these. There's a 4th one elsewhere in the shed. We should be able to daisy chain these on a big belt, put a pulley on the drive shaft. We'll be able to get this thing running on electric. I could run everything through a big power supply with this. This should be able to regulate down the solar power. And just in case the solar's not enough, I've got a backup generator. Now, serious talk for a minute. I'm probably going to power this with lead acid batteries. That's just because that's what I can get. Now, you might be worried about economy and efficiency and getting there. I have a low range gearbox. This is not about getting there fast. This is about just getting there. I can chuck her in low range. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Obviously, we're going to have to swap the PTO winch for electric, but that'll save a bit of weight. And so will removing this horrible thing. So, we've got a bell housing down there. We can rip that off. We can just put a direct drive. And 4 of these will make up a frame, get it CNC cut, and I might even run a chain. Might be a little easier. Chain everything together. We already have one of these in here already, and I have another one. That makes 5. We can probably do 5 together, though it does make the phasing a little bit different. We'll have to get some probably 3-phase stuff happening and work it out. So maybe a delta configuration. So 5 might work. Anyway, this sounds like a good idea. Let me know what you reckon in the comments.